Hey everybody, just here to update you guys on Bitcoin. I've been doing some research. I've been giving myself some time to enter the market. I didn't want to enter right after that big pump as I was invested already, and I didn't feel the need to have to add more at the time. I just wanted to scope it out and see what the sentiment is and how people react to it, how Bitcoin reacts to it, and to the rest of the market. In general, it's been a pretty good reaction. It's a bullish reaction as there has been no retracement right after, suggesting that the market is a little confused and might be looking at this as a bottom rally. And I don't know about you, but it was kind of scary to think if I wasn't invested at such low prices and this thing just ran up like the other day. I think a lot of people think the same way if they're interested in this product for the longer term, and it's just not worth it to time it. If you feel like you have to time it, it's a trading issue. I do trade Bitcoin back and forth if I find the opportunity within a day trade, but I'm always comfortable leaving some on the table. It's just one of those things. And the markets in general, they just seem like they're kind of working around these sanctions, the oil prices, the geopolitical events happening around the world with China, Russia, the U.S. sparring, doing some economic sparring worldwide. There's shifts in players switching sides slowly. I think these are the type of topics on top of entitlement issues for the American economy as well as other Western retiring economies. Yeah, so am I bullish the stock market? Am I bearish the stock market? I think I'm bullish the stock market in the short term, only because we are the best house in the neighborhood still. And for the medium to longer term, I would basically consider being in cash, or high quality companies that produce dividends and are stable over time. I wouldn't be invested in illiquid assets, not at these prices. So if you guys find this information interesting, I'm gonna continue to share. You'll get updates on Twitter. That's usually where my topics start, because it's the stuff that I'm reading throughout my day, throughout my trading day, and I think it's the kind of information that builds on a bigger picture. And if you follow me closely, you tend to see that bigger picture. One of my topics for talking about is geopolitics, and that sees the big picture and everything. So I always try to talk about that and incorporate it into the microeconomic issues, so that you guys get a better understanding, right? So if you find this information valuable and you want me to continue posting, subscribe, like, and that'll motivate me to keep adding this research online and sharing it with you guys. I do this research regardless; it's for my own business, but there's nothing. No way will this hurt me to share with you guys how I do my thought process when it comes around to this longer term investing game, and trading as well, if you're interested in that. Besides that, have a good day.